Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you a DIY that can help with hair growth as well as treat hair loss. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. The first ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 1 tablespoon of rhubarb root. Rhubarb root is the root that comes from the rhubarb plant. The rhubarb plant is known for its very sour celery-like stalks, which come in various colors such as pale pink or pale green. Rhubarb contains numerous nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, along with dietary fibers, whose presence have proven to be amazing for the growth of hair on the scalp. With regular use of rhubarb, it will help to keep your scalp healthy and enhance the growth of new hair from the hair follicles. The antioxidants like vitamin C that are found in rhubarb helps to fight against damage caused by free radicals present in the body, helps to stabilize them, and stops them from causing damage to our scalp and hair follicles. Rhubarb also enhances blood circulation in the scalp, ensuring that both our scalp and the follicles obtain proper nutrients. The second ingredient that you're going to need is 2 tablespoons of Tulsi, or also known as holy basil. Tulsi, also known as holy basil, helps to prevent hair loss caused by dandruff and itching or changes in hormonal levels. Tulsi benefits hair by controlling 4 types of fungal strains that cause dandruff. Tulsi helps maintain moisture in your scalp and improves blood circulation, reducing itchiness and dryness, strengthens the hair follicles, and makes the roots healthy. The antioxidants present in Tulsi is very useful in treating premature graying of the hair as well as hair fall. Tulsi also has the ability to improve blood circulation in the scalp, which in turn ensures better flow of oxygen and nutrients to the scalp and hair follicles and provide them with much needed nutrients. Tulsi helps stimulate the dormant hair follicles and helps with new hair growth. And the third ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 3/4 cup of shea butter. You can use any butter that you would prefer. Some of the benefits of shea butter is that it helps to reduce hair breakage, split ends, and improves the shine and bounce of your hair. And the last ingredient is going to be 1/2 cup of avocado oil. You can use any carrier oil that you would like. When it comes to avocado oil, it is one of the few oils that can actually penetrate the hair shaft and moisturize your hair rather than sitting on top and coating your hair. So for this DIY, I'm going to be doing the double boiler method. You could choose any method that you see fit. So basically, I've taken this metal bowl and I have placed it on top of a pot that has boiling water in it. So I'm going to add all the ingredients into the bowl, first starting off with the avocado oil, and then I'm going to place my herbs into the bowl as well. So this part is optional. I'm going to be adding the butter into the bowl as well, so that way the herbs can infuse into the oil and the butter together. But you don't have to do this option. You could just allow the herbs to infuse into the oil, and then you can add the oil into the shea butter after. So after the shea butter melted, I let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow it to continue to infuse, and I set my stove in between medium to low heat. So after about 20 to 30 minutes, I removed it from the boiler and I allowed it to cool down a little bit before I went ahead and strained it. After straining the butter, I'm going to place it into a bowl and then place that bowl into the refrigerator. And I'm going to leave it into the refrigerator until the top layer of the butter is firm. After about 45 minutes to an hour, I removed the butter from the refrigerator, and now I'm going to be using a hand mixer to whip the butter, and I'm just going to whip it to a consistency that I like. After whipping the butter, I'm going to place it into an empty container. The storage life of this butter is about 6 to 8 months. Make sure that you keep it in a cool, dry area of your home. Use this hair butter after you applied a leave-in conditioner. Use as often as you need, or at least 2 to 3 times a week. Apply enough hair butter to your dried, split ends to prevent breakage. Also apply to your scalp if you are suffering from a dry scalp.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
If you are interested in the ingredients that were used in this DIY, head over to Creole Lily and check out our Activated hair growth butter. It contains holy basil as well as rhubarb root. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.